Hey everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. Today I got this BMW M3 series with some very deep dent on the passenger's door. Very deep dent right here on the passenger door. I'm not exactly sure what caused this dent. It looks kind of easy at first glance, but it's not exactly easy, and I'll explain you why. Here's the problem with this dent. This dent is right behind the brace. There's one brace that goes right here, and there's another brace that goes right there. So it's behind the second brace. I have to bypass the first brace and then go behind the second brace and massage this dent out. That makes this job more difficult. So because of the location of the dent, I want to go ahead and start this repair process with glue pulling. From there, I'm going to take it with my whale tail here and finish the dent with the massaging from the back side. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and clean the panel with alcohol. Let's go ahead and apply our first glue tab. All right. All right, that was a good pull. So the dent decreased in size. I'm going to go ahead and give one more pull and see how far it can take me. Alright, that was a good pull as well. Let's see what it looks like. So it looks much better right now. I want to go ahead and tap down this area here and that area there. It's going to release a little bit of a pressure that is holding this dent in its place. I'm going to go ahead and use my whale tail to gain access from the back side of this panel and start massaging it. Now I want to go ahead and do a little bit of a tap down right here in this area and right in this area here. So now let's go ahead and do a little bit more pushing. Now I'm going to stop right here and do a little bit more of a knockdown, and I want to also do a cross-checking from this angle. Alright, so our dent is right here. This is what I'm going to be working on right now. Let's go ahead and do some more tap down. It looks like I have this a little tiny right here indentation. That's what I'm going to be working on. I got sound deadening panel right behind this dent, so it also makes my job more difficult. Alright, so let's do some cross-checking. This is the area that I'm working on. This is what it looks like from this angle. So let's do a little bit of a knockdown. I want to go ahead and knock down this little part right here. I'm gonna go back to my pushing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my big PDR light. I wanna do some cross-checking, and then I wanna do some blending. Alright guys, we're all done with this BMW. Let's check out the results. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we're done with this dent, and this is what our panel looks like. So for this repair process, I ended up using these two whale tails from Dentcraft Tools. One is about 36 inches long, one is about 40 inches long, one is ½ inch wide, and another one is 1.25 inches. I basically had to reshape them in position so I can bypass the first brace and then go behind the second brace and then massage the dent out. That was a kind of tricky, difficult, but it can be done. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll reply as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.